Keith's coming to see his new dinosaur room. Here he comes. Come upstairs, buddy. Jerry made it to the mix.
Ready?
Yeah! Is this your dinosaur?
Oh, your dinosaurs!
Look, that's a full dinosaur. Smile.
Look at your bed. Look at your new bed. See your sheets? You got dinosaurs in them?
Can I play with them?
Yeah.
But I have a big pond first.
Okay.
Dinosaurs live in there.
Waiting so long to have your room.
Look, a dinosaur pillow.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This one don't have a triceratops on it.
You don't see a triceratops? Let's see if we can find one.
A Stegosaurus.
Is that one?
A Stegosaurus triceratops.
That's funny.
That horns on it. Or,
It's not just a
plates.
plates. That's good observation, buddy.
That's what's funny.
Keith, look up there. What do you see up there?
Up there.
A pteranodon.
He's watching you when you sleep. He'll keep an eye on you. He'll protect